South Sudan's post-civil war transitional period is extended by 2 years. On Thursday, the country's leaders, President Salva Kiir and VP Riek Machar, solemnly signed the document stipulating the new timeline in Freedom Hill, Juba. It once again changes provisions of the peace agreement both statements signed in 2018. This move was met with criticism of illegitimacy that the leaders tried to address.
We are not extending the transition because I want to stay in the government longer. We don't want to rush you into an election that will take us back to war.
You have no choice. You have to extend. Our concern was, if we extend, how do we sell it to South Sudanese? Because some people think extension is just for sake of being in power.
Representatives of the US, UK and Norway, the so-called sponsors of the nation's independence, in 2011 boycotted the announcement, deploring, among other things, a process without inclusive consultations.